morning, children. I hope you are happy and safe with your family, and namaste to all dear parents. So children, today we will start our class with the thought for the day. So today's thought for the day is the only way to have a friend is to be a friend by Dada J.P. Vaswani. I repeat my thought. The only way to have a friend is to be a friend by Dada J.P. Vaswani. I hope you remember the meaning of this thought because this is the third time I am repeating the thought, and the meaning of this thought is, if you want love, care and share, then you have to be loving, caring and sharing. Then only you will get more friends. Okay, children? Children, do you know what we are going to learn today? What we are going to listen today? Very nice and very exciting story. Do you know? Are you excited to listen the story? Oh, the name of the story is The Ants and the Butterflies. So children, do you love butterflies? Did you see butterflies anytime? If you go to the play park or you go outside, you can see many colorful butterflies. I love butterflies because they are very beautiful and very colorful. I love butterflies. Do you love butterflies? Yes, if you go to play park, you can see they are flying here and there. And did you see ants there in the park? Or if you see like anywhere like something eatable, they will come there. Ants you can see there. If you go to play park, they will come on you and they will just tickle you and go. Okay, so I like butterflies because they are very beautiful and colorful. But do you know, children, they are very lazy. They can't do anything, and the ants are very hardworking. So children, the story is in your book World of Letters, page number 51. If you open your book, page number 51, it's a story of ants and the butterflies. Here all the pictures are there. Okay, shall we start the story? See, in the first picture, there is a family of ants live in the garden and where the many children come for play. So, in the garden, sometimes the children will come for play and they will drop the bits of food in the garden. And what the ants do? The ants collect these bits of food and they will store for the coming days. And they will work very hard. And there was a group of pretty colorful butterflies also lives in the garden. The butterflies do not do any work. They will just fly here and there, play with the flowers and with the leaves. But the ants play with the butterflies after they finish their work. Ants also will enjoy swinging on the leaves, dance, play with the flowers. They have lots of fun. So do you know what happened, children? One day the sky turned black, dark, and the weather was very bad. So children did not come to park to the play. Do you go to the park if the weather is not good? You will not go to the park, na? So that day also the weather was so bad and children did not come to the park for play. So there was no food for butterflies. They were so sad and hungry. And do you know, children, after that what happened? The ants came to the butterfly and they gave some food to butterfly. And ant said to the butterfly, butterflies, don't worry, here is the food for you. The butterflies were very happy to see the food and they said, thank you so much, ants. The butterfly said, thank you so much, ants, that you helped us and you gave us the food, but we are promising you that we will also work hard for food. we will also store food for us and we won't be lazy. Okay children, so what did you learn from the story? Did you learn something from the story? Yes, you should not be lazy. You should work hard, you should do your work on time and be very helpful for others. If somebody is needy, you have to help them. Okay children, see you in the next class. Bye bye.